Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Dollar Tree candle making kits. I was just kind of curious how they worked out and I thought I'd show you guys on camera because I hadn't actually seen them in the store before. They're super easy. They're not what I expected them to be. There's no heat involved or anything like that with making them. And so basically you just open each baggie and you layer the beads on top of each other. It's actually wax, and then whenever you burn it, it will all melt together. Just keep in mind that there are chunks in some of these since there's temperature variations, so you're going to want to make sure that you get the chunks out and shake it after you put down each layer. So in case you're wondering what the scents are on these, to me it looks like Cheeto dust, but it's actually not. So the orange one is apricot, magnolia, and apple cinnamon, and the purple one is lilac, magnolia, and lavender. Moving on to the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm pretty positive that you guys have already seen this, but I wanted to show you how I display it in my own unique way. So basically I am just making kind of like a generic apothecary. So I'm taking 2 of the large vase jars or vases actually, I guess I should say, and on one of them I'm going to heighten it with the candlestick. I wouldn't recommend using hot glue. I'd actually recommend E6000 or something stronger, but all I had on hand was hot glue, so I'm using that. The other one I am not elevating because I think that it needs the variation to make it look really nice. So these are the garden sticks that you write on with chalk what kind of herb or flower it is, and you put it in this potting soil. But I'm actually going to break these off of the stick, hot glue them to the apothecary jar, and write on them what they are. And then I'll show you in a little bit how I displayed that.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen.
All right, so the next DIY that I'm gonna make is it's like a 2-tier stand that I'm gonna make for my coffee bar, but it's actually more for serving purposes. So I do have some wedding, baby shower, that kind of stuff coming up, and I wanna be able to display just little, finger foods and stuff like that. So I wanted to have this already made so that I can use it later on when I need it. So basically I'm just taking 2 of the plastic marble plates from Dollar Tree, and I'm putting a candle holder in the middle of it. Positive you've seen this as well. Hot gluing it to it. You again will want to use E6000 or something stronger if you plan on using this often. But basically I'm just stacking the plate on top, and then I'll show you how I display it here in just a second.
Girlfriend, you make my edges seem smooth. The world is happier and less busy around us too. Girlfriend, just one look at you and I'm out of control. Well, I'm the luck
All right, so this is actually a fairly small bathroom and I don't have a whole lot of storage space. So I really wanted these jars to be able to display my bath bombs and my bath salts. So basically I'm just filling these with Dollar Tree bath bombs. The hearts are so cute and I love them, and I'm so glad that I found them because I'm excited to use them. So yeah, I'm just stacking in the bath bombs in the taller one and the bath salts in the shorter one, and then I'll decorate that and show you what that looks like when it's done.
Oh, you got me winning my left your mind. No, there's nothing that I can't do with you, with you.
All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you enjoyed it in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen.